How to change stream title on Kick. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your stream title on Kick. To do so, first of all, you'll need to open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in kick.com. Once you have entered this keyword, now press on enter to search for it. Within a while, you'll be taken to the official website of Kick. Here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. Here at the top right, you'll be able to see this profile icon. Click on this icon and then a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you will need to select Creator Dashboard. Once you click on it, you will be taken to the dashboard page. In this dashboard page, here at the right side, you will be able to see this Quick Actions option. Simply click on the arrow facing downward at the right side of this option and then there you'll be able to see Edit Stream Info option. Click on this option. Now here you can enter your new stream title. Click on the first box and clear the previous one. Now enter your stream name. Once you have entered your new stream title, you will also need to add other details like category and language. Click on the category and add the category based on your preference. Also click on this language option and select the language you'd like to set. Once after doing all of these, click on the save button at the bottom right and then you will see you have successfully changed your stream title on Kick. So this is how you can change stream title on Kick. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.